Number 1. 1986 Ford F-150, price $6,500, shows just 300 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission and a gasoline-powered engine. Finished in a vibrant red exterior paired with a clean beige interior, this truck presents itself as a great example of a classic Ford that has been carefully preserved. It starts right up, runs strong, drives smoothly, and brakes confidently, making it a dependable truck that is ready to be enjoyed immediately. A clean title is included, providing added peace of mind for its next owner. Designed with both comfort and drivability in mind, the truck is equipped with power steering and power disc brakes, making it easier to handle than many classic pickups of its era. Inside, the cabin has been kept in excellent condition, featuring clean upholstery and a dashboard that remains free of cracks, reflecting the level of care it has received over the years. It has outstanding choice for anyone looking for a reliable classic truck that is equally suited for weekend cruising, local shows, or a growing collection. Number 2. 2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,900, with 102,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a white exterior, a charcoal interior, and a gasoline-powered 5.3L V8 engine. Equipped with the desirable Z71 package and push-button 4x4 system, the truck runs exceptionally well with no leaks or mechanical issues, and everything functions exactly as it should. The truck features a recently upgraded transmission with heavy-duty internal components and a shift kit, which is still covered under warranty with receipts available. It also comes with ice-cold air conditioning, a factory tow package, and a factory Chevrolet bedliner. Fully loaded with every available option, the interior is in like-new condition and rated 10 out of 10, while the exterior is equally clean and well cared for. With a clean title and having successfully passed smog inspection, this Chevrolet 1500 is ready to drive and enjoy. Number 3. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,850, showing 160,000 miles. It is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck features a clean silver exterior complemented by a blue interior, giving it a timeless appearance that stands out from the crowd. Its overall condition reflects careful ownership, with both the body and interior presenting well for its age. The wheels and tires add plenty of character to the truck while still offering a long service life, making it ready to be enjoyed immediately. In addition to its classic styling, this Chevrolet 1500 has been upgraded with practical modern features, including an aftermarket stereo with hands-free Bluetooth connectivity and a backup camera for added convenience and safety. A dual exhaust system gives the truck a more aggressive sound and enhances its overall appeal. This 1994 Chevrolet 1500 would make an outstanding truck for a new owner or a worthwhile addition to any collector's garage. Number 4. 2000 Chevrolet 3500, price $10,500. It has been driven 128,000 miles and comes with a clean title, a blue exterior, and an automatic transmission paired with a dependable 7.4L 454 V8 engine. The truck runs great with no leaks or warning lights, while the cold-blowing AC, power windows, power locks, and Bluetooth/AUX equipped radio provide added comfort and convenience. It has been well maintained with an extensive list of recent service and replacement parts, including a new radiator, alternator, battery, spark plugs and wires, valve cover gaskets, intake manifold gaskets, IAC valve, a C-upper hose, and tail lights with new modules. The tires, front brake pads, and engine oil service all have less than 150 miles of use, making this Chevrolet 3500 a solid, reliable truck that is ready to drive. Number 5. 2001 Ford F-250, price $7,600. It has been carefully maintained throughout its life. With 180,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a gasoline engine, a white exterior, and a blue interior, this non-smoker, pet-free truck remains in excellent condition. It starts reliably, runs and drives exceptionally well, features a cold air conditioner and a hot heater, and has never been modified or abused. The truck has been meticulously cared for, with plenty of tread remaining on all tires, a clean Arizona title, extensive maintenance records, and 2 sets of keys, making it a dependable and well-documented example of a classic Ford F-250. Number 6. 1969 Ford F-100, price $10,800. It has been driven 156,000 miles and features a black exterior, a red interior, a manual transmission, and a gasoline-powered drivetrain. It is equipped with a 1977 302 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. It has been thoroughly refreshing the truck with numerous new components, including spark plugs, spark plug wires, distributor cap and rotor, a fuel filter and fuel line before the carburetor, a fresh oil and filter change, a new battery, steel rear window and hood to call gaskets, a new passenger side mirror and antenna from Dennis Carpenter, a new fresh air duct to heater core rubber bellow, a new passenger armrest, new passenger door weather stripping and seals, a new dome light cover, new taillight lenses, LED taillight assemblies, a new rear bedside reflector, new front turn signal bulbs, a replacement gas cap, and upgraded seat rails fitted to a 1992 to 1996 OBS seat with a fold-down armrest and power lumbar support. It also comes with additional new parts that are ready to be installed. To be fully road-ready, it will need 2 new rear tires immediately, a complete brake inspection and service, and registration before returning to regular use. Number 7. 1995 Ford F-150, price $4,500, powered by a dependable 5.0L V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. Finished in a silver exterior with a distinctive red interior. It features a desirable long bed configuration with an 8-foot cargo bed, providing ample space for hauling equipment, building materials, or other large loads. Although the exact mileage cannot be verified because the dashboard odometer is unreadable, the truck is believed to have approximately 130,000 miles. Despite this, it starts right up without hesitation, indicating that the engine remains in running condition. Overall, this 1995 Ford F-150 presents itself as a solid and capable classic pickup, making it an excellent choice for collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone seeking a reliable truck with a proven 5.0L V8 powertrain and practical long bed design. Number 8. 1985 Chevrolet C20, price $6,500. It has been driven approximately 7,500 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission, a blue exterior complemented by a matching blue interior, and a reliable gasoline-powered drivetrain. Under the hood is a 350 small block Chevrolet SBC V8 paired with a Muncie manual transmission featuring 3 forward gears plus a granny low gear, providing both dependable performance and excellent low-speed capability. The truck starts easily, runs strong, and drives exceptionally well. The engine has been thoughtfully upgraded with a Comp Cam's Mother Thumper camshaft, hydraulic roller lifters, Edelbrock E-Street aluminum cylinder heads, an aluminum intake manifold, and an Edelbrock AVS2 carburetor, resulting in improved power and efficiency. Built on a durable 4-bolt main block, the engine consistently maintains around 60 psi of oil pressure at idle, operates at normal temperatures without overheating, and has no oil or antifreeze leaks. Number 9. 1997 Ford F-150, price $4,200. It has been driven 143,000 miles and is powered by a dependable 4.2L 6-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. Finished in a blue exterior with a gray interior, this 4-wheel drive pickup has been well maintained and carefully cared for throughout its ownership. It has mainly been used as a backup vehicle, helping preserve its overall condition while still receiving regular maintenance. Recent service includes a fuel pump replacement completed a month ago, along with new front and rear brakes installed last year. The 4WD system functions properly in both high and low ranges, providing confidence and capability in various driving conditions. The truck rides and drives smoothly, with all features working as they should, making this 1997 Ford F-150 a reliable and practical pickup ready for its next owner. Number 10. 1997 Ford F-150, price $2,900. It has been driven 176,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission, gasoline engine, red exterior, and gray interior. The truck is fully loaded with power features, and everything is reported to be working properly, including the air conditioning. It runs and drives well, making it a practical choice for hauling, daily driving, or general utility use. As an older pickup, it will benefit from some basic maintenance such as a tune-up, a new battery, and a thorough detailing to keep it looking and performing its best. Despite needing some routine upkeep, this F-150 remains a solid and reliable truck with the strength of a V8 engine, 4x4 capability, and the proven durability that Ford trucks are known for.